Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality settings on this device. So let's open first the control panel and find here the screen recorder icon. Just let's check. Okay, if you have now this icon on your panel, you should just add it from more functions. Just open the three dots. By this way, open the three dots, tap to edit titles and find the screen recording. Click to this plus and go back. So now we could hold for a while this icon to launch screen recorder settings, and you'll see here the definition section, and just by this way you could switch your quality from high to medium, low, or to use the custom quality. And also we get one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. First open the settings app, then tap to additional, click to screen recording, and by the same way open the definition option and switch the qualities. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.